Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Lightroom to edit photos. First, import your images into the Library module. Then, switch to the Develop module to access the editing tools. Start with the Basic panel, adjusting exposure to brighten or darken, and contrast to add punch. Fine-tune highlights and shadows to recover detail, and set your white and black points for a full tonal range. Don't forget to correct your white balance for natural-looking colors. Next, let's refine your image's color and tone. The tone curve offers powerful control over specific tonal ranges, allowing for subtle or dramatic adjustments. Dive into the HSL panel to individually tweak the hue, saturation, and luminance of each color, giving you immense creative freedom. For a stylized look, try split toning to introduce distinct colors into your highlights and shadows. The color grading panel provides even more sophisticated control over your image's overall color palette. Now, let's focus on local adjustments and retouching. The adjustment brush allows you to paint in specific edits like exposure or clarity onto precise areas of your photo. For broader directional changes, utilize the graduated filter, perfect for skies, and the radial filter for emphasizing subjects. The spot removal tool is excellent for cleaning up dust spots or small distractions. Finally, sharpen important details and reduce distracting noise using the dedicated tools in the Detail panel. Finally, let's talk about exporting and optimizing your workflow. When exporting, select the appropriate file format, such as JPEG for web use or TIFF for high-quality prints. Carefully choose your resolution and quality settings to match your output needs. To maintain a consistent look across your work, create and save custom presets for your favorite editing styles. Remember to organize your photos using collections and keywords. This will significantly streamline your future editing sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.